Hi everyone and welcome to the Boutique Hotel Globe. Today, I'd like to suggest a few beautiful and unique boutique hotels, which are all located in exotic Morocco. If you like this video, please subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss more videos on all the best boutique hotels around the world that each in their own way, is unique, fascinating, and ready to welcome you to create your best vacation memories. First on my list is the 72 Riad Living. A riad, which means garden in Arabic, is a traditional Moroccan courtyard that usually features a fountain and palm trees with no roof. Intimate, unique, and welcoming, 72 is much more than a boutique hotel. It is your home in Marrakech, and it is a tranquil Eden of peace in the heart of the colorful Medina. Originally an ancient palace, dating back to 1920, this peaceful haven is tastefully decorated. Nothing has been spared to ensure the utmost luxury and comfort of the guests. The team behind the 72 pride themselves on their attention to detail and their commitment to making your stay as memorable, relaxing, and special as possible. Riad 72 distinguishes itself sublimely also for the roof terrace, one of the highest in Marrakech, with breathtaking 360 degrees views on the Medina and on the majestic Atlas Mountains bordering the city. The deluxe rooms are high-end rooms, offering a view of the interior courtyard with the pleasure of a private terrace. More than 30 square meters designed for your well-being. Bathrooms with a large walk-in shower or a lavish extra-large tub. King-size beds topped with fine Egyptian cotton linens by La Maison de Blanc. Some details may vary from room to room. The terrace suite is a haven of elegance and style. Unique with the ongoing theme of modernity blended with a Moroccan touch. Relax in the private terrace or indulge yourself in the oversized private jacuzzi and enjoy the view of the majestic Atlas Mountains. The grand suite feels like a stunning, private retreat. Promising relaxation, space, and serenity, the suite enjoys chic and sophisticated art decor furniture highlighted with traditional Moroccan touches such as tadillac plastered walls or historical wooden ceilings, hand-woven rugs, and soft, patterned cushions. The Arte Suite terrace and jacuzzi offers views of the courtyard from your king-sized bed or in your large freestanding copper bathtub. A separate living room comes with its accompanying bathroom. Step outside to your secluded panoramic terrace and enjoy stunning views of the Atlas Mountains or take a dip in the jacuzzi. Breakfast at the hotel is offered all day and only when you're ready for it. The selection begins with sweet and savory crepes and an assortment of bread, including typical local wheat or barley bread, French baguettes, and a variety of toasts. There are baguettes and croissants to indulge in, as well as a daily selection of cakes such as carrot, chocolate, and orange cake. After a few hours of activity, you can retreat back to your room to freshen up before a nice lunch on the rooftop and enjoy the view. There you will be able to have a variety of light bites, from fresh vegetable salad to Moroccan tapas, both full of vegetables and meat. For the hungry, a tagine is always available in wide varieties. Explore the many activities that you can do, including hiking in the Atlas Mountains, visiting new museums, art galleries, tasting Marrakech street food with front row seats to the best show in town. 72 Riad Living is rated 5 stars on TripAdvisor. Coming up next, let's visit the 5-star Palais Ronsard Relais and Châteaux. Comfortably located in the heart of the Palais, the Palais Ronsard has been designed for a new generation of travelers who are passionate about Marrakech, but who also want to rejuvenate surrounded by abundant nature and the Atlas Mountains. Offering a soothing break from the current unbridled and over-digitalized lifestyle, guests can not only get themselves away from prying eyes but also set up a cocoon base camp to explore the region and its striking landscapes. Once through the ebony wrought iron gate of the Palais Ronsard, visitors will truly appreciate the green Eden where the lapping of fountains and rocky waterfalls merge with the song of birds. The Prestige Room offers a private terrace with a garden view. This room type is located on the first floor, and accessible from the gallery of indoor water basins. Room decor is tasteful, with lush textures and comfortable furniture. The ensuite bathroom is bright with twin basins. The suites are located on the first floor, and they feature, for some of them, a private terrace with views of the gardens of the house and its surroundings, the Atlas Mountains, and the palm grove. The senior suites are truly spacious and feature a private terrace overlooking the gardens of the house, the water basins, and its surroundings, Atlas and Palmeraie. The living room area has a fireplace, while the white marble floor bathroom has a large bathtub for guests to soak for hours. Located away from the main building, the single-story Grand Pavilion will welcome you in all discretion to a private and luxurious space. Each pavilion has a large terrace and private pool. Ideal for couples seeking indoor-outdoor living space with a spacious bathroom and tub. Le Verger offers the opportunity for in-house guests to enjoy delicious lunches prepared by the master chef in a peaceful setting. Set under a pergola, surrounded by lush vegetation and climbed by the greenery, the tables are covered and lit by candlelight at nightfall. An intimate spot where you can enjoy the sunny days and the fabulous taste of the Palais Ronsard. The pool house extends a serene, relaxed and sunny atmosphere. The pretty pergola bar of the swimming pool invites you to discover a varied and tasty cuisine. Come to taste their signature cocktails with a breathtaking view of the sunset over the Atlas Mountains. There's also a spa at the hotel, which is located just a stone's throw away from the vegetable garden. Treat yourself to one of the relaxing and energizing massages and traditional scrubs. Palais Ronsard Relais and Châteaux has a 5-star rating on TripAdvisor. My final recommendation is the Amanjena Resort, which is located just outside the ancient city of Marrakech. Set within an oasis of palms and olive trees, Moorish heritage is reflected throughout the Pissay-walled resort. The resort's indulgent tranquility is complemented by easy access to Medina and Morocco's mesmerizing landscape. A varied landscape of rugged snow-capped mountains and parched desert dunes, Morocco has some of North Africa's most diverse geography, all accessible from Amanjena. You can explore the Agafay Desert, a rocky landscape that lies under the gaze of the Atlas Mountains, before enjoying sundowners under a private tented canopy in this extraordinary terrain. Amanjena's exceptionally appointed pavilions and maisons are cool, elegant dwellings with Berber carpets scattered over zellige tiled floors and high ceilings for an opulent feel. Away from the bustle of the fabled Red City, the sound of running water in fountains soothes, while chaise lounges and candle lanterns lend a classic Moroccan ambiance. Amanjena's Maison Jardin rooms offer a palatial-style retreat for up to 4 guests. Whether traveling as a family or with friends, the 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and opulent marble bathtubs provide privacy and seclusion, while a separate living area with an arc-cut fireplace and garden courtyard with a private pool is ideal for socializing. Set across 2 stories with first-floor views over the reflective central basin, Amanjena's zellige-tiled maisons are ideal for small groups or families, with dramatic high ceilings creating a grand, palatial feel. Maison's private pool and garden courtyard are well suited for entertaining, with elegant chaise lounges and candle lanterns for a classic Moroccan ambiance. Inside, 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms offer comfort and privacy, while a living area with an arc-cut fireplace is an atmospheric place to share stories of the day gone by. The pavilion piscine rooms feature a king-sized bed with an opulent green marble bathroom. It is accompanied by a living area and garden courtyard with a large private pool. Offering a large heated swimming pool and a private garden, adjacent pool pavilions can be joined together via courtyard doors, creating a more social layout. The pavilion basin rooms are ideal for couples seeking a tranquil retreat. Outside, a courtyard is accessed through the sliding glass and cedar doors, where an imposing pillared mensa shades an oversized daybed for afternoons spent lounging in consummate privacy. At the Moroccan restaurant, local musicians provide the soundtrack to dining in the restaurant's serene courtyard every evening, a candlelit fountain at its heart. Berber culinary traditions and Moorish, Andalusian, and Middle Eastern influences meet on the all-day menu. Dedicated to personal wellness, Amanjena's spa facilities are serene and timeless, designed to calm, soothe and rejuvenate while expert therapists work on restoring optimal well-being. Treatments include massages, facial scrubs, and wraps, as well as manicures and pedicures. Amanjena Resort has a 4.5-star rating on TripAdvisor. I hope you have enjoyed these selections of gorgeous boutique hotels, which are all located in Morocco. Please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't miss more videos with interesting facts and information to help you plan your next holiday destination and vacation. Do check out more clips like the one you just watched on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.